So hello guys. So the topic today is about homogeneous differential equations guys. Gets? So this topic guys is under sa differential equation. Kailan malalaman kung homogeneous ang isang differential equations? Ganito lang yan guys. So dapat yung mga degree natin is magkakapareho. Halimbawa, ito. Ay wait, before natin, sige, sabihin na natin same degree sila. So let's say, ito yung format natin, mdx plus ndy is equals to 0. Wherein m, yun yung kasama ng dx and n is the kasama ng dy. Gets? So, game. If n is simpler, is gagamitin natin tong substitution, y is equals to vx. When m is simpler, gagamitin natin tong x equals to vy substitution. Gets guys? I hope na gets. So, game. Start na tayo sa ating first example. Gets? So, game. Tandaan, sulat na yan sa papel yung y is equals to vx and x equals to vy when n and m is simpler. Gets? So, low. For the first problem guys, so makikita natin dito na yung x dx is the simpler, in which dx is the m and this is the n, wherein yung m natin is simpler. Siyempre, makikita mo sa equation, mas madali to compare dito. Gets naman, di ba guys? Oh. Tapos yan, anong gagawin? Tignan natin yan. When m is simpler, gagamitin natin itong x equals to vy. So, sulat natin. X equals to vy. So, katapos nyan, guys, kunin natin yung derivative nito. udv plus vdu to, no? v dy plus v dy, u dv plus v du. Yan. Sorry. So, ito yan. u dv plus v du. Yung u natin, which is the v, and ano tawag dito? Yung v natin is yun yung, So, u dv plus v du. Ito yung u dv plus v. Ano yung v natin, which is y du. Yun yung v. Gets naman, di ba guys? Product rule from the differential calculus 1 guys. Gets? So, game. Katapos nyan guys is proceed tayo sa ating substitution. So, yung x, palitan natin to ng vy. Tapos yung y, copy lang. Then yung dx is palitan daw natin ng v dy plus y dv. Then plus, ito yung plus. Yung x, ano yung sabi sa x? Vy. Tapos naka-squared. Plus y squared. Tapos dy is equals to 0. So, ito yung m dx plus n dy. Yan yung format natin. Gets? So, I think na-substitute naman lahat. So, proceed tayo sa ating substitution. So, distribution natin to. So, magiging v squared and y squared to. V squared and y squared plus y squared. So, ito mag-a-add. Ano mangyayari dyan? So, magiging y squared from the loss of exponent. So, gets. So, ito, factor out natin to. Since same sila ng y squared, factor out lang natin. Factor out. So, magiging y squared. Tapos, ito mawawala. Tapos, ito magiging 1. Gets? So, katapos nyan, divide lang tayo ng y squared since meron naman silang parehas. So, ito, 0 divide y squared, 0 pa rin yan. So, ito makakancel. Cancel. So, ano yung natira? v dy plus y dv plus v squared plus 1 dy equals sa 0 guys. Gets? So, next proceed na tayo sa ating distribution of v and dy. So, distribute natin one by one. V squared dy plus vy dy ay dv. So, dahan-dahan lang tayo. Baka malito tayo. dv plus v squared dy plus dy equals sa 0. Dinistribute ko lang one by one. So, try natin combine like terms. So, magkaparehas to. Tsaka to. So, 2v squared dy. Tapos, yung isa, hindi na sila magkaparehas. So, pagdikitin na lang natin. Ito yun, hindi sila magkaparehas. So, copy-paste lang. Then, equate sa 0. Nagets naman, no? O, next. Since yung dy, may parehas silang dy, so factor out natin. dy. So, 2v squared plus 1 plus copy the vy dv equals to 0. Katapos yan, ano? Variable separable. Paano nalaman variable separable yan? Obvious naman, guys, which is dy, pwede natin gawing y dito plus yung v dv over 2v squared. Sa mga hindi pa alam paano yung variable separable, may video tayo nun, guys. Kapag na variable separable na natin, integrate both sides. So, eto, how to integrate this, guys? By use substitution. Sana yun ito? 2v squared plus 1. So, hindi yun ito, ano? 4. Oops. Derivative nito, 4v dv, di ba? Kailangan lang natin v dv. Kaso may 4. So, divide tayo both sides by 4. So, du all over 4 is equals to v dv. Yung paano pag variable ng separable, guys, may video tayo nun. So, watch nyo muna yun bago tayo mag-proceed sa homo. Medyo mahirapan kayo sa homo pag di nyo alam yun. So, dy, obviously that dy over y is ln du all over 4. Kaso yung 4 labas ko na. So, ganito yan, di ba? Yung 4 labas ko na. Since constant naman, so magiging siyang 1/4. Gets naman? Oh. Tapos nito, ano? du equals to, oops, integrate na rin natin to. So, integrate. So, 0. Ano to? ln y plus 1/4 ln u plus ln c. So, insert natin as ln c. Or, pwede rin namang c lang. Pero maganda, ln c na natin since obviously naman lahat sila naka-ln. ln c and c is still constant. C and negative c is still constant. So, walang pinagkaibang ln c tapos c lang mag-isa. Wala silang pinagkaiba. So, ano tayo ng 4 dito para may mag-cancel? So, 4 ln y plus ln u equals to 4 ln c raised to 4. Oops, hindi raised to 4 yan. Tapos ito, from the loss natin sa logarithm, yung 4 mapupunta ng exponent. So, ln, ano yung value ng u? 2v squared plus 1, di ba? 2v squared plus 1. Then, ln c raised to 4. C raised to 4 is still constant. So, pwede nating sulat yan as c na lang. Since constant lang yan naman yun, di ba? So, from the loss of exponent, so pag positive, magmo-multiply lang. Loss of natural logarithmic pala. ln c. Ano tapos niyan? To simplify this, magpo-produce tayo ng e both sides. Magre-raise tayo ng e both sides. So, cancel to. Cancel, ano yung natira? y4, 2v squared plus 1 cos c. Oh, hindi pa tapos yan. Since ano yung since may v tayo dito, tingnan yung equation natin. Ano ba yung equation natin? X and y, in terms of x and y. So, tandaan to. X, vy. So, kailangan natin in terms of x and y din. So, x, vy. X equals to vy. Or, V is equals to x all over y. Divide both sides by y lang yan, guys. Cancel. V is equals to x over y. I hope na gets. Y raised to 4. 2. Ano yung V natin? X over y. Tas nakasquared pa. Plus 1 is equals to C. So, y raised to 4. 2x squared over y squared plus 1 is equals to C. Get? Wait, ba tayo bumaba? Yan. So, y raised to 4. Kunin natin LCD nito. Anong LCD nito, guys? Y squared. So, 2x squared plus y squared, di ba? Gets yan? Kunin mo yung LCD niyan. Pag nakuha mo na, ano gagawin? Ito. Sige, ito na lang. Pag nakuha mo ng LCD nito, guys, etong y squared, di-divide mo siya dito, which is 1 lang, di ba? Tapos 1 times 2x squared, so 2x squared. Tapos tong LCD, since 1 lang siya, wala siya denominator, recta times mo na yan. So 1, so y squared dun siya. Y squared times 1 is y squared. Pag wala siyang denominator, recta, multiply mo na, pwede naman. Gets? Gets naman. Oh. I hope na gets, guys. Sa mga basics lessons lang naman yung mga yun. So, magiging 2 lang to. Y squared, 2x squared plus y squared is equals to C. Gets? So, eto na yung final answer natin. Gets naman? So, yan. For this problem number 1. So, next proceed tayo sa problem number 2. Sulat lang natin. So, 2 x cosecant of squared y all over x minus y dx plus x dy, di ba? Equals 0. So, ano to? N. Tas ito, M. Wherein N is simpler. N is simpler, use the substitution of y is equals to vx, di ba? Oh, game. Y is equals to vx. dy is equals to u dv plus v du. So, x cosecant of squared. So, ano yung y natin? Vx all over x minus vx. Tapos, dx tayo dito plus x. Ano yung dy natin? V dx plus x dv. Oops. dv. So, tama ba? V du plus u dv. So, this is a dv, guys. Gets? Oh, next. Ito makakancel. Ano yung natira? X. Ay, V pala. Sorry. So, natira doon is V. So, next is what? Factor out tayo ng X. Since may X dito, may X din dito, ano gagawin? Factor out. Lalabas ko yung X. Yung X dito mawawala na kasi pinactor out natin. Then, divide tayo both sides by X. X. Then, may 0 pa siya dito. Because sa 0, divide natin ng x. Any number, divide by 0, 0 pa rin yan. So, cancel. Cosecant squared of v minus v dx plus cancel. V dx plus x dv. Then, naka-equal sa 0. Gets? Tapos yan, distribute natin tong dx 1 by 1. dx minus v dx plus v dx plus x dv is equals to 0. So, combine like terms, cancel to. Plus x dv is equals to 0. So, yan, anong gagawin? Variable, separable. So, nag-gets nyo na ba yung flow ng homogeneous? So, kailangan may makancel. Pag wala na-cancel, ibig sabihin may mali ka. Katapos nun, pag may na-cancel na, proceed tayo sa variable separable. Gets? So, paano to variable separable? dx all over x plus dv cosecant squared of b. Gets? So, equals to 0. So, integrate both sides. So, cosecant squared b is equals sa ano? dx. Sana. Wait. Check nga natin. Cosec of dx all over x plus doon sa aking solution manual, wala siyang square. So, solve natin with the squared. So, wala siya. Pero, solve natin. Sine squared of b dv is equals sa 0. Gets? Note that the sine squared v is equals sa 1/2 of 1 minus cosine 2v, di ba? So, game? dx all over x integral of 1/2 of 1 minus cosine 2v is equals sa 0. So, distribute lang natin yung 1/2 plus 1/2 integral of dv. May dv yan. So, this is a dv, guys. Minus 1/2 cosine of 2v dv is equals sa integral of 0. So, yung subs lang ay yung unit to is 2v. du is what? 2 dv or du is all over 2 dv. Gets yun, diba guys? From the algebra. From the integral calculus. So, dx all over x plus 1/2 dv minus 1/2 cosine of u du all over 2 integral of 0. So, ano mangyari? 2 times 2 magiging 1/4 cosine of u du. Integral daw na 0 minus 1/2 dv plus dx all over x. So, ln of x plus 1/2 of b minus 1 all over 4 cosine of the integral of cosine is ano? Sine u. Sine, ano yung u natin? 2v. Is equals sa c. Backsub lang tayo. Before tayo mag-backsub, is simplify lang natin to by multiplying both sides by 4. So, 4 ln of x plus 2v minus sine of 2v is equals to 4c. 4c is still constant, so c na lang. Gets? Ano yung v natin? Backsub lang tayo. So, v. Kunin natin yung v is equals to y all over x. V is y over x, di ba? Plus 2 is y all over x minus sine 2 y all over x equals sa c. Or ln of x raised to 4 from the loss of exponent plus 2y all over x. Gets? So, next is what? Minus sine of. So, magiging ganyan yan. Sine 2y all over x equals sa c. So, I think pwede na itong sagot. Or, kung trip nyo guys, pwede rin siyang simplify. Sa paanong paraan? Maglagay ka lang ng x, multiply ka. Pero yung ito, hindi ito maka-cancel dito Hindi pwede yun. Angle kasi itong x na to. Gets? So, sana. X ln x raised to 4 plus 2y minus x sine 2 y all over x is equal sa cx, guys. So, this will be the final answer sa ating problem, guys. So, guys, yun. Dinoble check ko lang kasi sinabi ko naman kanina na yung solution manual ko, wala siyang 2. So, but this time, nilagyan na natin ng 2. Pero, nag-come up na yung answer natin is tama. So, this will be the final answer for this problem, guys. So, gets. So, proceed tayo sa ating number 3. Wait lang. Hanapin ko lang yung number 3. So, dapat dito sa Homo Batax algebra, talagang papatayin ka sa algebra. Purong algebra lang dito, guys. So, try natin to. Number 3. X squared y plus y cubed dx minus 2x cubed dy equals sa 0. So, paano to? Di ba, ano to? M. Tapos to n. So, when n is simpler, ano siya? Y is equals to bx, di ba? When n is simpler, y is equals to bx. So, bx substitution tayo. Simpler daw to. Simpler. So, y is equals to bx dy dv plus v du. So, back sa a substitution lang tayo dito. X squared. Anong y natin? Bx plus anong y natin, guys? Bx. Tapos naka-cube. Oops. Minus. So, dx muna. Minus 2x cube. Then dy plus x dv is equals to 0. Binaksab ko lang, no, guys. Substitution lang, guys. Tapos lahat ng y palitan ng vx. Gets naman yun, di ba? So, gets. This will be a dy. O, next. Yung eto, ano mangyari? Distribution 3. So, v cube x cube. So, dito, ano mangyari? So, magiging x cube yung 2. X cube tas v. Gets. Wait lang. Ayusin lang natin to. Then, ano yung mangyari? Factor out natin yung x cube. So, burahin lang natin. Factor out natin yung x cube. So, divide both sides by x cube. Kita nyo na, guys, palagi nagdi-divide. Katapos dyan, variable separable to, matik. V plus v cube dx minus 2 v dx plus x dv is equals to 0. So, dv to, guys. Gets. So, next. v dx plus v cube dx minus 2v dx. Dinidistribute ko lang, guys. Then, ito rin. Minus 2x dv is equals sa 0. So, ano mangyari? Walang makakancel. So, ang gagawin yan is pagsama lang yung magkakamukha ng dx and dv. So, magkasama to. So, factor out the dx. So, yung sa isa naman, v. Oops, may kasama pa palang dx. Sorry. Ito pa pala. Sorry. Ito. Tapos ito is combined like terms. So, v cube minus v. Tapos dx, di ba? Negative 2v plus v. So, negative v minus 2x dv is equals sa 0, guys. Gets? So, next nyan is what? Variable separable. Dx. Tapos yung x lang kukunin natin. Pwede naman natin lagay yung negative 2 dito. Pero mas maganda, huwag na natin kukunin para hindi mag-cause ng fraction. So, sana 2 dv all over b cubed minus b. So, integrate both sides. Ano matapos dito? Since b cubed minus b is pwede natin mag-factor out ng b. Factor out tayo ng b. b squared minus 1. Note that the b squared minus 1 is a difference of square. So, difference of square yan, di ba guys? So, ganito niyan yan. Dx all over x minus 2 dv all over v plus 1 v minus 1 is equals sa integral ng 0. So, this is the ln x, and eto, paano to integrate by partial fraction. So, partial fraction tayo, integration by partial fraction. So, copy lang natin. Then, equals tayo ng, since binasag natin sila isa-isa, so, a, v. So, bago tayo magsulat ng constant sa taas, guys, plus, sulat lang natin yung v plus 1, hiwa-hiwalay lang natin yan, v minus 1. So, ano yung pinakamaliit na value ng v? So, constant na to. Kunin mo lang yung derivative nito, guys. So, magiging dv to, di ba? Which is may 1 yan. So, constant lang yan. So, iba-ibang letter dapat, no? Tapos ito, constant lang din yan. So, ano ko gagawin? Divide tayo ng, multiply tayo ng nasa left term, which is v plus 1, and v minus 1. Palagi, yung nasa left, yung pandi-divide natin. Uy. O, nung katapos nyan, guys, pag dinivide natin yan, eto, divide dito, so 1 na lang matitira, equals sa a, tas yung b matatanggal, so maiiwan b plus 1 and b minus 1 plus b. So dito, b plus 1 maiiwan ay matatanggal, so na matitira bv and b minus 1, di ba? Plus c, b and b plus 1, di ba guys? Gets? So, next line yan is what? Mag-assume tayo ng any value of v to get the value of a, b, and c. Gets? So, game. When? Wait. Isip tayong value na pwede mag-cancel. So, pag nag-1 ako dito, magiging 0 to. So, makakancel itong buo. Tapos ito rin makakancel. So, makukuha natin value letter c. So, tama. Na dapat yung assume natin is 0. 1 is equals to a, 0 plus 1, 0 minus 1. Oops, not 0 pala. It's 1. Sorry. 1, 1, 1 plus p, 1, 1 minus 1 plus c, 1, 1 plus 1. So, ano to? 0 na to. Any number multiplied sa 0 is 0. 0 din to. 0 to. 2 na to. Tapos ito 1. So, 2c yan. Is equals sa 1. c is equals to 1 half. Gets? So, I hope na gets. Wait. Oops, may nakalimutan tayo. Sorry. May 2 pala tayo dito. In which negative 2 niyan to. Lagay natin dito, negative 2. Pwede din naman yun. Yung 1 lang siya. Pero i-distribute mo siya isa-isa sa A, B, and C. Pero mas madali, para hindi na tayo mag-distribute, sulpak na natin agad yung 2. Gets naman, no? Pwede naman siyang walang siyang 2. Gawin mo siyang 1. Kaso di-distribute mo pa rin yun. Gets? So, ito niyan is negative 1. Ay, negative 1. O, tama. Negative 1. Gets? So, next, proceed tayo sa what? Check nga natin. 2. Wait, let me double check, guys. Oh, yan. Tama. So, yung C natin yan is what? Pwede din naman siyang positive 2 lang. Pag positive 2 lang yan, guys, ibig sabihin, yung negative mo, di-distribute mo siya isa-isa. Sige, pakita natin, distribute natin isa-isa. Kamukha yung kanina, yung assume natin na 1 lang siya. So, ito is what? 2. So, 2, 2. So, this will be a positive 1. Positive 1 to, di ba? Oh, next is what? Proceed tayo niyan dun sa next assumption natin. When V is equal sa, try natin 0. Pag ito 0, so may 1 ka dito. May negative 1 ka dito. So wala makakancel dito. 0 to. Cancel tong buo, di ba? Tapos dito, pag 0 to, makakancel din tong buo. So makukuha natin yung value ng A. So which is good. So, wala pa tayong value ng A. So 2A, 0 plus 1, 0 minus 1, plus B, 0, 0 minus 1, plus 0, 0 plus 1. So 0, 0. So ano to? Negative. Negative 1 yan, di ba guys? In which A is negative 2. Goods na. Letter B na lang yung kulang. When V is equal sa what? Dito na yan papasok yung try natin. Try natin mag-isip ng iba pa. Nasaan na? Kailangan natin makuha yung value ng V. Paano natin makukuha yung value ng V? So, medyo mahirap na mag-isip, di ba? Pag ano yung value ng V? Try natin negative 1. If negative 1 itong V, tas ito negative 1 din, negative 1 din to. So, makakancel to, 0 to. Tas ito negative 1, 0 din to. So, tama, negative 1 tayo mag-assume ng V. So, 2A, negative 1, plus 1. So, negative 1 minus 1 plus B, negative 1, negative 1 minus 1. This will be 1 plus C, negative 1, negative 1 plus 1. So, ano mangyari dito? So, 0 to. So, ano to? 0 din to. Tapos, eto, negative 2. Kaso may negative ka dito. So, positive 2. So, 2B is equals sa 2. In which B is equals sa 1. Gets? Tapos niyan, anong gagawin? Kunin mo to. Wait, asan na? Diyan natin lalagay yung value ng sana. Ito. B. Integral of value ng A. A muna, negative 2. B is 1. C is what? 1 din. So, yan yung integration of this value with 2, with positive 2. So, compare lang natin, no? Dx all over x minus ano yun? Minus, tama, minus. Minus integral of A over V plus B, V plus 1 plus C all over V minus 1 dV is equals sa, equals na ba? integral of 0. Oh, lalagay na natin mga value. Ano yung value ng A? Is negative 2. Anong value ng B? Is 1. Anong value ng C? Is 1 din. Gets? Ito yun, no? So, dyan na natin mangyayari yung dinidistribute na negative. Gets? So, pag dinistribute natin yan, ano mangyayari? Dx over x, yung negative, distribute natin dito with the negative. So, positive 2 yan with the dv all over v. So, dito minus dv over v plus 1 minus dv over v minus 1 integral of 0. Gets naman, dinistribute ko lang yung negative isa-isa. Yan yung sinasabi ko kanina. Kapag nilagyan natin kagad ng negative 2 dito, di na tayo mag-distribute ng negative. Pero wala siyang negative, so kailangan natin distribute. Halimbawa yung kanina, 1 lang yun, di ba? So kailangan yung negative 2 is distribute natin sa A, B, and C. Gets? So, since nilagyan na natin yung positive 2, so di-distribute na lang natin is yung negative. Ito, ano yung integral nito? Puro ln na lang to, di ba? ln x plus 2 ln of v minus ln of v plus 1 minus ln of v minus 1 equals sa ln of c. So, ln x sana plus ln of v squared minus ln of v plus 1 ln of v minus 1 ln c. Next is what? Simplify this. Ln x plus ln v squared minus ln v plus 1 plus factor out lang ang negative para magsama tong nasa loob ng parenthesis. So, pag dinistribute natin yan, makukuha natin to. In which positive is equal sa multiplication. ln c, tas minus ln v squared plus ln of x. Gets? Next. So, ito pwede natin pagsama. Minus ln of v. Since ito ay difference of squares, so v squared minus 1. ln of c. So, since subtraction siya, so magiging division niya to. Xv squared na lang. Xv squared all over v squared minus 1 ln c. Gets? So, 3 e tayo ng both sides. So, ma-cancel to. Ano natira? So, next is what? Backsub tayo ng value ng v. Backsub value of v. Sana yung v? Ito. Is equals to v is equals to y all over x. X, y all over x squared. Palta lang ng y over x yung lahat ng v. Squared minus 1 is equals sa c. X, y squared all over v squared over y squared minus 1 over x squared, in which LCD of this, kunin lang LCD. So, this is a, x. Yan. X, y squared all over x squared. X squared y squared minus x squared. So, cancel. So, y squared. Then, ito marireciprocal. So, mapunta yan sa baba. Gets. So, next is cross multiply. Cross multiply. C, then y squared minus x squared. So, this is the final answer, guys. Gets. So, here's the problem, and here's the final answer for this problem, guys. Gets. Or, let's say, maglagay tayo ng particular solution when x equals to 1, y is equals to 2, 1, then 2 squared. Palitan lang natin. So, c is 2 squared minus 1 squared. So, ano to? 2 is equals to c, 4 minus 1. So, magiging c is equals to, this will be a 4. So, 4 is equals to c, 3. Or c is equals to 4 over 3. So, palitan lang yung value ng c dito. So, xy squared is equals to c, which is what? What is the value of c? It's 4/3. Y squared minus x squared. So, this is the particular solution. And this is the general solution. Gets, guys? Particular solution, walang fee. Ito yun, walang fee. Pag general solution, meron siyang fee. Gets. So, proceed sa next problem. Number 4. Y plus square root of x squared plus y squared dx minus x dy equals 0. Gets. So, when n is simpler, so n to. So, y is equals to vx, diba? dy is equals to v du plus u. Oops, sorry. This is a u dv plus vd. u dv plus v du. Gets. Substitute the value of y and dy. So, vx plus square root of x squared plus v of x squared. So, yan. Then dx, copy the dx, minus x. Then the value of dy is v dx plus xd. V is equals to 0. Vx plus square root of x squared. So, dito na lang. Distribute the square. So, v squared x squared. So, sa kabila, tingnan natin. Wala na. Stay put. So, factor out the value of square. So, lalabas lang tayo ng squared dito. So, magiging 1 na lang to. Tapos ito magiging v squared. Gets. So, next is factor out natin yung square. 1 plus v squared na lang. Plus vx dx plus minus x. Copy na lang to. v dx plus x dv is equals sa 0. So, ito, ano mangyari? X square. So, this will be a what? X na lang. Square root of x squared. So, cancel. Natira is x. So, x, guys. Gets? So, next is what? Factor out by x. So, paano to? Factor out natin yung x dito. So, x. So, matatanggal na to. Tsaka to. Kasi nag-factor out tayo ng x. Pag binalik natin yan, pabalik yan sa original. So, divide both sides by x. So, x. Cancel. Ano natira? v plus 1 plus v squared dx minus b dx. So, distribute the negative sign. So, minus x dv is equals sa 0, guys. Gets? So, next is what? Distribute na natin dx dito. So, dx to. Tsaka to dx. So, dx plus. Oh, next is what? Check natin. Oops, may nakalimutan yung square root sign. Square root. Sorry. May square root sign pala. 1 square root. Yan. Gets. So, next is what? Cancel na to. Combine like terms. So, yung natira is 1 plus b squared square root of dx minus x dv is equals sa 0, guys. Gets? So, pwede natin ito lipat dito para mas magandang tignan. Pwede mo rin hindi lipat, guys. dx square root. So, variable lang to. dx all over x equals sa dv over square root of 1 plus v squared. So, integrate both sides. So, ito, anong integral nito? Is trigosub. Trigosub yan. Di ba pag may nakita ka ng x squared plus a squared tas naka-square root du ay dx is what? Arc ay ano to, di ba? X equals to a tangent theta. Substitution using trigosub pag positive. May video tayo nun, so panoorin muna. So yung x natin dito is equals sa v. Ito yun. Tapos yung a natin equals sa 1. So yung x palitan natin ng v, yung a palitan natin ng 1. So, dv is equals to secant squared theta d theta. Gets? I hope na gets, guys. So, recall lang yung trigosub. So, dx all over x. Ano pa yung isa? Equals sa secant squared theta d theta over square root of 1 plus, ano yung v squared natin? Tangent squared theta. In which 1 plus tangent squared theta is equals sa secant squared theta. So, burahin ko na. Gawin ko secant squared theta. Kaso naka-square. So, cancel. So, yung natira is secant theta na lang. Secant theta na lang natira. Secant theta. Kaso meron pa. Cancel. May natirang secant theta. So, burahin ko na. Secant theta. Oh. Next is what? ln na lang to. Integral of secant theta, ln of secant theta plus tangent theta plus what? Sige, lnc tayo. Kaso hindi pa tayo tapos sa trigosub. Sana yun? Ito. Di ba sa trigosub may gagawin pa tayong triangle in which x equals sa 1 tangent theta. So, hindi siya x, v to v. Is equals sa tangent theta is equals sa v all over 1. Divide ko lang both sides by 1. Cancel. So, v over 1. This will be an opposite. This will be an adjacent. Yung opposite natin dyan is what? V. Tapos yung adjacent is 1. Ano yung hypotenuse? V squared plus 1, di ba? Kaso pinapahanap is what? Yung tangent theta is may value siya ng b. Ano yung secant theta? Secant theta is reciprocal of cosine theta. Cosine theta is equals to adjacent all over hypotenuse, in which secant theta naman is hypotenuse b squared plus 1 all over adjacent, which is 1. So, backstab lang tayo. ln x equals sa ln. Ano yung secant theta? b squared plus 1 plus v. Yung tangent theta sa value of v only. Plus ln of c. Gets, guys? So, next, Diyan na tayo magbabacksub ng value ng v. V. Ano yung value ng v natin? So, check natin ulit. Y is equals to vx, in which v is equals sa y all over x. So, y over x yung v daw natin. Ln x equals sa ln of y over x naka-squared plus 1 plus y all over x plus ln of c. Kaso distribute natin yung squared. So, y squared over x squared niyan to. So, ln x equals to ln square root of, anong LCD nito? So, x squared lang. So, y squared. So, pag meron ka ng, yung LCD mo is x squared. Yung x squared mo, divide mo siya dito, which is 1 times y squared. So, y squared. So, ito naman, x squared. Since wala siyang denominator, recta mo na lang multiply. So, x squared nun siya. Plus x squared plus y all over x plus ln of c. Gets? So, pwede natin to separate yung radical. Y squared plus x squared all over square root of x squared plus y all over x plus ln of c. So, cancel yung square. So, matitira dito is x na lang. Kaso, same sila ng denominator. So, pwede natin silang pagsama, gawing iisang denominator. So, plus x. Gets naman. Gets. So, next, paano yan? Diyan na tayo pwede nating pagsama using what? The rules of natural log, which is if plus is product. So, C. Ito yun. Since positive sila, plus, di ba, plus. So, pwede natin pagsama yan. X squared of y squared plus x squared plus y. Gets naman. I hope na gets. So, e tayo both sides. So, cancel. X equals sa c. Y squared plus x squared plus y over x. Yan na, guys. Gets. So, pwede tayo mag-cross multiply. Cross multiply to. Tapos yung c all over y kasama niya to. So, cross multiply lang yan. So, ganito yan. So, x equals sa c. Y squared plus x squared. Then, plus y all over x. Cross multiply mo lang yan. Tapos ito, cross multiply niya dito. Gets. So, x squared is equals sa c. Square root of y squared plus x squared plus y. Yan. Gets naman. This is a what? General solution. What if lagyan natin value ng y and x? So, let's say when x equals sa square root of 3, y is equals to 1. So, yung x daw natin is square root of 3 squared equals sa c. Square root of anong y natin? Y squared plus square root of 3. Then, naka-squared plus 1. Ano to? 3 equals sa c. Ito 1 plus. Ito is 3 na lang. Cancel yung radical. So, plus 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. Square root of 4. is 2. So, 2 plus 1 gets. So, 3 is equals sa C3, which is C is equals sa 1. So, backstab lang tayo. Palta lang natin to ng 1. So, x squared is equals sa 1. Y squared plus x squared plus y. Yan guys, gets. So, x squared is equals sa square root of y squared plus x squared plus y. Gets naman. Gets. O, next by what? Lipat natin to sa kabila. Pwede na yan sagot, pero to simplify is x squared minus y. Oops, sorry. Nilipat ko lang yung y. Pwede na yung sagot na yan. Pero to simplify, sige. Y squared plus x squared. Square tayo both sides. So, pag nag-square tayo ng both sides, x squared to minus y, then squared. Ito ay matatanggalan ng radical pala. So, y squared plus x squared. So, yung radical tanggal pati yung naka-square. So, ano to? Expand lang natin to. A squared plus 2ab plus b squared lang to, di ba? So, x raised to 4 minus 2x squared y plus y squared. Gets, guys? So, equals sa y squared plus x squared. O, gets? So, ito, cancel na to. Ano yung natira? X raised to 4 minus 2x squared y is equals sa x squared. Gets? O, next. By what? Pwede natin to ilipat sa kabila or to simplify by 1 over x squared. So, x squared na lang to minus 2y is equals sa 1. Gets? So, x squared, lipat lang to sa kabila. 1 plus 2y. So, this will be a final answer for this problem, guys. This is the particular solution. Well, this one, guys, is the general solution, guys. Gets naman? Gets? So, I hope na-gets nyo, guys. Sobrang haba ng solution when it comes to homogeneous differential equations, guys. So, sobrang haba. So, sana naintindihan nyo. So, I hope na-gets, guys. Wait lang. So, sige, last problem tayo, number 5. Y x squared plus y squared dx plus x 3x squared minus 5y squared dy is equals sa 0. So, simpler. So, simpler natin dito, matik yung dx. So, when m is simpler, x equals sa vy. dx is u dv plus v du. Gets? Product rule lang to. u dv plus v du. So, y, anong x squared natin? So, vy then squared plus y squared. dx natin is v dy plus y dv. Oops. This will be a plus sign. Ito na yun, plus. So, vy, yung x natin, vy. So, 3x squared. Oops, yung x natin is vy, di ba? Gets, yung x natin will be vy minus 5y squared dy is equal sa 0. I hope na gets, guys. Wait, zoom out nga natin. Yan. Ito, y. Ito, v squared, y squared plus y squared v dy plus y dv. Kinakopy ko na lang yung iba, guys, ha. vy. So, ito, distribute. V squared, y squared minus 5y squared dy is equal sa 0. So, factor out tayo ng y squared. So, factor out tayo ng y squared. So, magiging y cubed na to, diba? Tapos itong y squared mawawala. Kasi from the loss of exponent, diba guys? So, 1 na lang to, diba? Nag-factor out tayo. So, dito, factor out tayo ng y squared. So, if nag-factor out tayo ng y squared dito, so, may 1 dito, from the loss of exponent, mag-add yung exponent dito. So, magiging y cube. Y cube to, y cube. Wait tayo mapindot. So, wala na tong y squared. So, 5 na lang natira dun sa kabila. Gets naman. Gets, dyan na tayo magdi-divide ng y cube. So, after natin mag-divide, cancel, cancel, cancel. Oops, wait lang. Ayaw. Yan. B squared plus 1. Sorry. So, B dy, naglag lang. Plus y dv plus b. And 3b squared minus 5dy is equal sa 0. Gets? So, next, paano to? Etong term na to, distribute natin dito. So, b squared plus 1. Tapos yung dy niya. Tapos etong term na to, distribute natin dito. So, plus y b squared plus 1 dv plus. So, dito, paano to? Pwede natin tong stay put or tawag dito, i-distribute. So, sige. Pwede natin distribute ng ganyan with dy. So, as of now, wag muna natin. Sabay-sabay na natin i-distribute. Gets naman. O, next is ano? Yung dy. So, v squared plus 1 plus, eto, 3v squared minus 5 dy. Plus, eto, copy na lang to. dv is equal sa 0. So, tapos niyan is v cube plus v plus 3v cube. Distribute lang yan, guys. Minus 5v. Tas dy. Gets naman, guys. Gets. So, next is what? Plus by what? Y. V squared y dv. Distribute natin with dv plus y dv is equal sa 0. Combine like terms. So, magiging 4v cube to. Plus, oops. Combine mo to. So, 4v cube. Tapos ito, minus 4v dy. Gets? Tapos dito naman, guys, factor out natin yung y tsaka yung dv. So, v squared plus 1 dv. Gets, guys? So, pwede tayong mag-variable separable dito. So, maganda, simplify na natin itong factor out natin yung 4 dy plus 5v squared plus 5 dv is equal sa 0. So, i-ano natin to. Variable separable. So, 4 dy all over y plus v squared plus 1 all over v cube minus 4 dv. Oops, 0. Then, katas ito, we can integrate by 1 by 1. Tapos so yung variable separable, pagsasama lahat ng y and v. So, panoorin muna natin yung video natin na isa to before natin to sagutin. So, sorry, may v pala dito. Ayun o, v. So, v. So, 4 dy all over y plus v squared plus 1. So, factor out natin yung v dito. So, v squared minus 4. So, integrate by dv is equal sa integral of 0. Gets, guys? So, next is what? So, v squared minus 1 is what? Diba? V squared minus 1 is a... Oops, not v squared minus 1. It is v squared minus 4 pala. Sorry. Difference of square ba yung tawag sa v squared minus 4? So, ito is tinatawag natin tong difference of square, di ba guys? So, we can expand it. Saan? Tingnan nga natin. Oh, nag-factor out ako ng 4. So, wala ng 4 to. Ano meron dito? V. Sorry, nalito tayo. Ang haba kasi na solution eh. So, V. Wait, double check nga natin. So, this is 1 na lang na nag-factor out ako ng 1. Gets naman, no? Pag binalik ko yung V dito, so makukuha natin to. So, gets. I hope na gets, guys. So, next, proceed tayo sa next. So, to integrate this one, guys, by partial fraction ulit. dv is equal sa 0. Gets naman. Gets. So, partial fraction tayo ulit. v plus 1 and v minus 1. So, a. So, v. Pag-iwalay lang natin yan. So, v plus 1. Since yung v natin, yung lowest exponent yan, magiging constant na yan. So, v, may 1 pa yan. Pag lowest exponent yan, v0 is still a constant. Any number raised to 0 is 1. So, constant. Yung mga a and b natin is constant. v minus 1, guys. Gets? Oh, gagawin dito. Yung gagamitin natin pang multiply, yun nasa left side. So, v squared plus 1 is equals sa a, v plus 1, and v minus 1. v plus 1 and v minus 1 is v squared minus 1, di ba? So, palitan ko na. Plus b, v and v minus 1. Plus c, v and v plus 1. Gets? I hope na gets. So, dito, mag-iisip tayo ng mga numbers dito, guys. Try natin mag-isip. Nag-insert ako dito ng 1, magiging to 0. So, if nag-insert ako dito ng 1, magiging dito 0. So, C yung makukuha natin. When v is equals to 1, so C yung ma-obtain natin. So, sulat pa tayo ng ibang numbers. Try natin. If, paano ba to? So, 0 to, 0. So, ano yung makukuha natin dito? Maka-cancel to. Cancel din to. When v is equals to 0, ma-obtain natin value is yung letter A. O, last na lang, letter B. So, how to get the value of B, guys? By what? So, negative 1 to. Negative 1 din to. So, kung negative 1 to, maka-cancel to. Tapos ito, hindi maka-cancel ito. Hindi rin siya maka-cancel. So, medyo mahirap na mag-isip na numbers, diba guys? Gagawin natin yung second method. Equating by coefficient. Yung kanina, nag-isip tayo na number. Ito, equating coefficient, guys. So, paano yun? Distribute muna natin lahat. Minus A plus B V squared minus BV plus CV squared plus CB. Dinistribute ko lang, guys, So, saan na tayo? Double check na natin. Minus plus BV squared minus BV plus CV squared plus CV. So, equating coefficient with V squared. So, ano yun? So, may 1 siya dito. So, 1 equals sa A. Ito yun. May V squared kasi yan. Tapos ito rin. So, B Tas ito rin, C. O, equating coefficient with V raised to 1. Since dito wala, so 0. Is equals sa yung V lang. Ito, negative B. Tas ano pa? Positive C. O, next, ano pa? V raised to 0. V raised to 0 is constant. So, ito yun, 1. Is equals sa negative A. Ano pa? So, wala na, di ba? So, which means that 1 is A is equals to negative 1. So, dito galing yan. Yung A is equals to negative 1. Dito. So, when A is equals to negative 1, so B is equals to C. So, wala siyang value. So, palitan lang natin yan to. 1 is equals to yung B natin, palitan natin ng C. A plus yung B natin, gawin natin C plus C ulit. So, 1 is equals to A plus 2C, in which 1 is equals to negative 1 plus 2C. So, distribute natin to. So, magiging 2, 2C. C is equals sa 1 din. Tapos yung B is equals din sa 1. So, B is equals to 1, C is equals to 1, A is equals to negative 1. Gets? So, puro 1. Ang gulo. Puro 1, mga kapatid. So, wait. Game, proceed na tayo sa ating substitution. So, substitution na tayo niyan. Wait, let me check, guys. Check ko lang, 1 by 1. Mahirap na. Baka magkamali. Sayang yung pagod natin, kapatid. Sige, proceed tayo. Bahala na si Superman. O, proceed tayo. So, copy lang natin to. For dy over y plus. Ito, yung integral nito, ito yan, yung a, b, and c. Sulat lang natin, integral of a, b plus b, ano yun? bb plus 1 plus c all over b minus 1. Then dv sa integral ng 0. Yung a natin is negative 1. Oops, this is negative niyan. Negative 1, di ba? Negative 1 yan. So, negative dalhin na natin dito. So, mangyari niyan, wala na itong negative. So, dv over v na lang yan to. Plus dv all over v plus 1. Since yung b natin is 1 lang. So, may 1 yan dito. Pero huwag na natin sulat para hindi malito. Plus, yung c natin may 1 lang yan siya. So, 1 dv all over v minus 1. In which 1 is huwag na natin sulat. Is equal sa integral ng 0. Sana tayo? Wait tayo. Bumaba. Ayun. So, for ln of y. So, ito yun. For ln of y minus ln of v plus ln of v plus 1 plus ln of v minus 1 plus of this is a equal ln of c. So, ln of y raised to 4 minus ln of v plus ln of v plus 1 ln of v minus 1 equals sa ln of c. Gets? So, pagsama lang natin to. Sana? Ito. So, since multiplication ay addition to, magta-times lang to. So, mangyari dyan, v squared minus 1. Kasi v plus 1 and v minus 1 is v squared minus 1. From the difference of square. Sana? Ito. Wait tayo mapalitan. Yan. Plus ln y raised to 4 minus ln of v. Plus, oops, this will be an equals ln of c. ln. So, y raised to 4 and ln v. So, y raised to 4 over v. Kaso may plus, so dito yan sa taas, v squared minus 1. So, sa ln of c, e. So, ano mangyari? Magka-cancel lang yan. So, cancel. So, y raised to 4 v squared minus 1 all over v is equals sa c. So, by back substitution, guys, sana haba ng solution, di ba? Ito, x equals to sa vy, in which v is equals to x all over y raised to 4 x over y, tas naka-square, minus 1 x over y equals sa c. Distribution 2, so magiging x squared na siya and y squared. So, y squared, x squared minus y squared, y raised to 4 equals sa c, x all over y. So, ano mangyari dito? Cancel 2, cancel. Y squared, x squared minus y squared, 1 over x over y is equals sa c. Pero magre-reciprocal to. So, mapupunta yan sa taas. So, y cube na to. Since x squared minus y squared, tas yung x nasa baba. Tas c, naka-equate sa c. So, cross-multiply lang yan. Cx equals sa y cube, x squared minus y squared, guys. Gets? So, the answer is cx equals sa y cube and then x squared minus y squared, guys. This will be the final answer. This is the general solution, guys. Gets? So, yung mga nalilito, paano napunta to dito? So, ganito yan. Y squared, x squared minus y squared. Since ito ay division, guys, so, pag nireciprocal natin yan, magiging multiplication na yan. So, times mo to, magiging y cubed, x squared minus y squared all over x equals sa c. Then, cross multiply. Gets? This is the general solution. So, let's say when y is equals to 1 and x equals to 2, ano yung value ng c? c x equals to 2 equals to y is equals to 1, c is 2 minus 1 squared. 2c is equals to 4 minus 1, which is 3. So, 3c is equals to 3 all over 2. So, backsub lang tayo, guys. Y cube yun, di ba? X squared minus y squared is equals to c all over x. Yung c, palitan natin ng 3 all over 2. Yan. So, yung 2, y cube yan, di ba? Wait, ayusin lang natin. 2 tas ito yung x. So, itong 2, cross-multiply mo siya dito. 2y cube, x squared minus y squared is equals sa 3x. Or, distribute natin to. Pwede naman. 2y cube, x squared minus 2y raised to 5 is equals sa 3x. Or, equate natin into 0. Pwede rin. Pwede nang sagot yan, guys. So, 2y 5, lipat ko lang sa kabila, minus 2x squared y cube equals, ay plus 3x equals sa 0. Nilipat ko lang to, nilipat ko rin to. So, this is the final answer for this problem for particular solution. Gets, guys? So, I hope na gets. Yung ito, guys, sa mga nagtataka saan galing, when y is equals to 1, x equals to 2, nasa unang problem lang yan. Nakasulat sa test paper nyo is when y is equals to 1 and x equals to 2, sa 2. Nasa una na yun. Pinakita ko lang paano siya. What if particular solution tinatanong. So, general solution, pinapahanap dito, tapos dito naman is particular solution. So, ito yung general solution. Ito, general solution. Since may c, pag wala na yung c, guys, ibig sabihin, this will be a particular solution. Gets guys? So that's all guys. Thank you for watching. See you. God bless and goodbye.